with these variable problems, basically they're giving you starting values. So these arrows are kind of just like saying that z equals 4, k equals 2, and L equals 5. So with those starting values, I just usually make a little chart and then update them as the program goes along. This isn't any particular language. This is called pseudocode. I'm going to write an L like this just because it kind of looks like a 1 or an I, and I think it's a little easier to read that way. So the next thing we do is, sorry about that. We'll write down those numbers. So Z starts as 4, K starts as 2, and L starts as 5. Then on line 4, Z plus 3 gets stored into K. So that's like an equal sign, like we're assigning it just like K equals Z plus 3. So since Z is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, so K becomes 7. And then Z, the next line, goes to the old value of Z plus 1. So that's 4 plus 1 is 5. And then K goes to a new value, even though we just assigned it a new number. So that's 4 plus L. So 5 plus 4. So K is now 9. And whatever values they end up with, that's what we want to type in. So we're displaying Z. So Z is 5. And K is 9. And then we're displaying L, which is 5. So let's type those in and just make sure that comes out okay. So you can either put a space or a new line. I just did a new line between each one, and that should come out correct. So I'm going to do one more problem. If you feel like you're ready to go, that's fine, but I'll also give one more example. So in this problem, we have A, B, and S. So I'll make my little chart. And it looks like their starting values are 5, 2, and 1. So on line 4, it says A is going to be A plus 5. So that's 5 plus 5. Right? If we plug in the value of A. So A's new value is 10. On line 5, I have B is going to be S plus 4. So 1 plus 4 here. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So B is going to be 5. And then S is going to get the value of A. And we're not taking this value of A. We're taking the updated value of A and putting it in S. Right? So it's the most recent value of A. So when I print this one out, I should see 10, 5, 10. And it doesn't always work out that we have the same value for two variables. It just happened to be on these two problems we did. And submit my answer. Okay, so hopefully it's just getting used to the notation, and these are pretty easy for you.